Good morning, students. Today in this chapter we are going to discuss about speed and velocity. So let us first start with the speed. You know very well, speed is that quantity by which we can come to know how fast the body is moving. And speed is a scalar quantity. It can be measured by distance per unit time. We can write speed is equal to distance per unit time. And it is a scalar quantity. Its SI unit is meter per second. So this we have about the speed of a body. Now let us come to different types of speed. We can start with uniform speed. Uniform speed. A body is said to be moving with uniform speed if a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. That means the body can move in any direction, and while moving, if a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then a body is said to be moving with uniform velocity. For example can be a body moving in a frictionless surface. In that case, the body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Let us try to understand this. Suppose we have taken time and distance. Say at the end of 0 second, the body has covered a distance of 10 meter. At the end of 5 seconds, the body covers 20 meter. At the end of 10 seconds, the body has covered 30 meter. At the end of 15 seconds, suppose the body has covered 40 meter. Now if you see this, you will find that the body is covering equal distance in equal interval of time. Let us see. Now when you see the time interval, you find for every 5 seconds or in every 5 seconds, the body covers a distance of 10 meter throughout the journey. So this kind of speed is called uniform speed. Now if I change this to a non-uniform speed, where a body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, moving in any direction, then it is called non-uniform speed. For example, so here itself I can show you the change. It is non-uniform speed, where the body, you can see, is not covering equal distance. Suppose 10, 20, then body has 35, and then suddenly it is 60. Now when you compare the distance, okay, with the time, you will find the distance covered is not the same throughout the journey, because in the first 5 seconds the body has covered 10 meter, in next 5 seconds body has covered 15 meter, in next 5 seconds body has covered 25 meter. So you can see here the body does not cover equal distance in equal interval of time, and it is such body which is called, or this body is said to be moving with non-uniform speed. Example can be a body moving in a crowded place, in a marketplace, or a body moving in a friction surface where the friction is there. In that case, the body does not cover equal distance. Like in the marketplace, the body or the car has to apply the brake every now and then, so that may bring about change in the distance, and the distance will not be covered equally in equal interval of time. So this movement is called non-uniform speed. Let us see some more types. So now we can see instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed. So if a body does not move with a constant speed, or if a body changes speed continuously, then its instantaneous speed can be found by the ratio of the distance covered in a very short interval of time divided by time taken to cover that distance. So we can find it by using distance in a very short interval and divided by time. So this will give you the instantaneous speed. Then we have average speed. Average speed. Average speed of a body, again this will be when the body continuously changes in the speed. So in this case the average speed of a body can be calculated by the total distance covered divided by the time taken to cover that distance. So average speed can be found by using total distance covered in the entire journey and divided by the time taken to cover that distance. It will give you average speed. So after completing this, we can now see about the velocity. So next we have the velocity. Velocity is the distance covered by a body per unit time when a body moves in a specified direction or in a straight line. So we can write velocity as distance covered by a body per unit time moving in a straight line. So since the direction is very important here, which shows that velocity is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. And its SI unit is meter per second. Its SI unit is meter per second. Now we have again different types of velocity. First of all, we can see about a uniform velocity. Uniform velocity. So uniform velocity can be when a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time, where the body does not change its direction during its movement, then it is called uniform velocity. For example, if you take time, then distance and the direction. So here we have 0 second, the distance is 10 meter, and suppose the body is moving in east direction. At the end of 5 seconds, body has covered 20 meter, the direction remaining the same. At the end of 10 seconds, covers 30 meter, again the direction remaining the same. 15 meter, 40 meter, 15 seconds, the body covers 40 meter, again the direction is same. So you can see Here the body covers again equal distance in equal interval of time where the direction always remains the same. Such kind of body is said to be moving with uniform velocity. So we can have now the non-uniform velocity. So let us see non-uniform velocity. So non-uniform velocity in a body can be due to two reasons. One, when the body does not move in a fixed direction, though the speed is changed, though the body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Or second can be when the body does not cover equal distance in equal interval of time even though the direction is fixed. For example, here we can have the body is moving with each direction, you can see, but here the distance covered is not the same. 15 meter, 25 meter, then 50 meter. Here you can see after every 5 seconds the body is not covering the same distance. First it covers 5 meter, in the next 5 seconds it covers 10 meter, then another 5 seconds it has covered 25 meter. Even though the body is moving in the same direction, the body is said to be moving with non-uniform velocity. So there can be another way by which a body can be said to be moving in non-uniform velocity, where the body may cover equal distance but the direction is not fixed. Let us see. For example, here you can see the body is covering equal distance throughout its journey in every regular interval of time, but the direction of a body is not fixed. It was moving first in the east direction, then it has changed to the north, then moved to the west, then again coming back to the east. So here the direction is not fixed even though the body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. So this is also an example where a body is said to be moving with non-uniform velocity. Next day we will discuss about the acceleration. Thank you.